is up, guys? This is Aman from Tech Unwind 9, and today we have a popular demand. You guys have been asking for it. I have a repeat of another video because you guys asked for it. So I have this case. All right, I know you guys remember last time we did a restoration on this. We're gonna do a new restoration. We're gonna do it again, but with different products. Okay, we have new products today from Chemical Guys. I love these guys. I got it from Amazon. Here we go. Let's start this video. As usual, your boys here. We're gonna be talking about the restoration of this leather case. I want to show you guys the case again. Here we go. You guys can see there's some things, the dents where I actually dropped it. Okay, there's some dents right there. All right, and you can see how it's worn out. I've had this case for almost a year now. All right, I've used it daily. It's my daily driver. The inside looks really nice, but the outside has had some wear. It actually looks really nice. You can see in some spots where there's actually bruises inside it, all right, from whatever, you know, elements that are around it, but it still has a nice patina. I like the way it looks. Obviously it looks nothing like when I first got it. So we're gonna try to restore this and we're gonna take a look. So here we go. Here's the products that I have, guys, today. Okay, so first thing you need is cleaning cloth. Okay, so you need a cleaning cloth, and then you need something to be conditioning it with. Okay, you definitely have to condition. Okay, if you don't condition, what's gonna happen is this leather is gonna dry up. Okay, so this is the apple leather case, brown one, so it's gonna have to be conditioned. If you don't condition it, it's not gonna work. Okay, it's not gonna look the way you want it to look. All right, so here's the two things that we have. First, we're gonna be using conditioner. Okay, from Chemical Guys. You can get this from Amazon.com. all right, it's really good stuff. Not that expensive. You can get the 4 ounce and you can get the 16 ounce or whatever it is. I believe this is the 16. Yep, this is the 16 ounce that I grabbed. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but you know, it is what it is. I have extra. I can always reuse it. And then the second thing we have is the conditioner. This is the most important part afterwards, guys. When you dry out the leather, you got to make sure you condition. Okay, the conditioner will give it that shiny look, and it'll keep you protected. Okay, this is what's going to get rid of all the scratches and the dents that are on there. It's not going to get rid of it completely, but it's definitely going to be helpful. And when it's in your hand, you're not going to feel it as much. That's the main part. Okay, so let's go. Here we go. We're going to do this. Let's grab our towel. Here's our towel. We're going to put this on stream. Okay, there's a connection right up top. You just turn that knob. Definitely spray it on here. Okay, spray it on here. There we go. And then we work it in here. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, maybe I put a little bit too much, but it is what it is. Who cares, you know? Clean that crap up, get everything off there, right? Already looking nice and clean. Can you guys see that? I'm doing it pretty soft, not doing it too hard to begin with. I don't know how harsh this is on the leather, so we're gonna go soft and take a look. Okay, really nice. It's working. Wow, I actually see most of the stuff come off already. Can you guys see that? Can you see how clean it already looks? Let's try up here. Okay, let's get in the corners. The corners are the hardest parts to get out. Okay. You know what? This is actually better than the one that I grabbed last time. I have another video, guys. If you guys want to take a look at that, you can take a look. But this is definitely working a lot better than the other video that I had. I haven't even pushed too much and it's coming off already. On the other video, I'm telling you guys, it was taking a little bit extra time to get it off, but it actually worked. It actually made this look really nice. I did it twice. After the video, I actually did it again and it looked really nice, and it stayed for about a couple weeks. It stays for a couple weeks and then you have to redo this process. Okay, you could probably just not clean it after that, but you can definitely you can actually polish it with a conditioner. Okay, wow, this is looking much better than my last video, I have to admit. On the first pass, I like this. Chemical guys are doing their thing. It's really working, okay? So we're gonna fast forward this a little bit so you guys don't have to see all of this. Grab that conditioner, okay. All right, here we go. This is the best part, guys. Let's see what it looks like. Here is the before, all right, and let's see what it does. We're gonna do one pass and we're gonna take a look what it looks like, okay, guys? All right, I can automatically right away see that it's actually working really well. It's conditioning it really nice, guys. Really nice. I love this. Wow. I don't know if you're able to see that on video, but it's looking nice, guys. I will do a close-up so you guys can see that, okay? I like this. Some of the color will get off, but that's okay. Just go soft and you'll be fine. Here we have it, guys. You see? Definitely softer. How's that edge? Can you guys see the edge? Look at the edge, guys. It's almost disappeared. You can barely feel it. Very soft. And it's not opening up anymore. You see that? It's not opening up. Very soft, guys. The leather looks really nice. It's like a brand new case. Okay, with patina, just the way you want it. Well, there you have it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to me. Hit the bell icon and just send this to a couple of your buddies. You know, it helps out the channel. I appreciate this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you all the believers for believing in me, and keep believing. Follow, like, and subscribe, guys, okay? Hit the like button. All right, look at this, guys. Really nice. I hope you like this video. If you guys don't mind, share the video with people that might be interested in this. It definitely helps out the channel. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. This has been a video to help everybody. Chemical guys is the way to go. Definitely, I feel like this is better than the other product that I reviewed last time, but the other product is good also. This is a little bit more expensive, but I'll leave the link down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.